Hey guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with my July Buttons Galore More haul. I'm so excited to share with you what I picked up. We've got so many pretties, and I was able to get their newest release, which is the mix-ups. I wanted some of the Halloween stuff, and I was a little upset that it was already sold out. You guys, people are just jumping at these mix-ups, but we are going to go over the ones that I was able to get. So these are the most prettiest little mixes, and look at this one. This is what is this called? Shell Beach, and there are so many elements in here. This is far from boring. So we've got all of these beautiful colors. And this one, let me see, I got two of the Shell Beach because, hello, look how pretty this is. I also picked up two of the Snowfalls because we've got Christmas coming up, Christmas in July possibly, and I love this mix so much. This is Wish Upon a Star, but look how pretty that is. I love the little addition of the little balls. You've got little diamond pieces in here, polymer clay, some sparklets. Oh, so pretty, you guys. And I hope they stock up soon because I need that Halloween one. This is called Daydream, but you guys, look how pretty this is with the rainbows. Again, with the little balls and the little clay pieces. You've got little gemmies in here. This mix is absolutely darling. And then the rest are sparklets. Okay. Oh, wait, no, I have one more. I lied. I also have this one, and this is called Happy Christmas. Look at the beauties on this. So pretty. And then next up, I have this one as well. Let me see. Yep. This is called Serenade. Serenade? Yeah, Serenade. And the Valentine vibes in this one. I love the neon pink in this. And of course, you know, the sparkles really just makes it so fun. I also have a bunch of sparklets. And again, I am kind of gearing up for Halloween. This is Creepy. And you've got some fun sequins. There's some spiders, some pumpkins. So fun. I've got this one. This is called Mermaid. So pretty, you guys. Perfect for summer projects. This is so cute. This is Boo. And you got little ghosties and bats in this. But I love the little pop of black in here. So pretty. And this is Coral Coast. This is sealed. Coral Coast is beautiful. Okay, let's see what else I got in here. Okay, I've got some doodads. Got Ocean Breeze, which is this beautiful blue. Perfect for like holiday projects. Marmalade. Oh, I am loving this neon orange. Possibly for Halloween. Gold Rush. This yellow is to die for. So pretty. Purple Rain. Again. Let's see if I can mix this with this. Ooh. Halloweeny. And then, of course, I got Halloween. This is basically just a little bit of everything. So fun. I love all the colors in this. I also picked up two pearls. This is Pearl Drop and Golden. And I thought this could be fun to add to some mixes. Oops, sorry for that. And the rest are just some sequence mixes. And I got this button set. Again, I just love checking out the sales section. This is called Bewitching. This was on sale. I thought that was really cute. Oh, I love this sequence mix. This is called Sweet Tangerine. Now, tell me guys, this screams Halloween, right? So cute. I also picked up a black number. This is Night. Oh, I love these. These are just like a fun, they almost look matte black. And there's some transparent little discs in here as well. They're like a smoky gray. I also got this one. Oh, I love this one. Oh, this is called Witchy. And it's like a gunmetal finish to the ones in here with some transparent orange in here. Oh, I love these. This one is absolutely beautiful, and this is called Lilac. Stunning. This one is the Heart of Atlantis. Again, I love the green mix, and you can just add some pink into this. This is not like super green where you're starting to feel like maybe it's a little leprechaun mix. This is just the soft pastels with some hint of maybe some iridescent green in here. I also got this yellow. This is Sunshine. Oh, this mix is darling. Spooky fun. I love the, what is that called? Holographic purple in this. And last, no, I have two more, lie. This is Wisteria Hues. So pretty. I love it. And I have two mixes here. This is called Retro Holiday. Just gonna open this up. I'm not sure where the holiday kicks in, but again, I love the pop of pink in this. So pretty. And then I have a Halloweeny mix. This is Haunted House. I love the gunmetal stars in their mix. That gunmetal finish. So pretty. Oh my god. This is getting me like revved up for Halloween, you guys. And that is it for my haul today. I will leave my discount code down below if you're interested in any of these items. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.